Each mink pelt is carefully inspected to check its fur quality, hide condition, size, and overall suitability for luxury dark brown mink leather.
The inspected mink pelts are sorted into quality groups, so only suitable material continues toward the luxury dark brown mink fur coat.
The selected mink pelts are cleaned to remove dust and unwanted particles before the hide enters the main leather processing stages. The mink pelts are prepared from the underside, so the hide can be processed while the valuable fur remains protected. Inside the processing drums, the mink hides undergo controlled tanning that develops the flexible structure required for luxury dark brown mink leather. After tanning, the farmed Siberian mink hides are thoroughly rinsed to remove remaining processing residues and prepare the dark brown mink leather for conditioning. The treated mink hides receive controlled conditioning to improve softness, flexibility, and the luxurious feel required for a dark brown mink fur coat. After conditioning, the dark brown mink leather is carefully drained to remove excess moisture before the next finishing stage.
The underside of the dark brown mink leather is carefully refined to create an even and workable hide thickness.
The dark brown mink leather is gently stretched to restore its natural shape and prepare each pelt for precision finishing.
The stretched dark brown mink leather enters a controlled drying stage where moisture is gradually removed while the pelts retain their shape.
Once dried, the dark brown mink leather is mechanically softened to develop the supple texture required for a luxury mink fur coat.
The fur surface of the dark brown mink leather is gently brushed to separate the hairs and restore an even, luxurious appearance.
The prepared dark brown mink leather is arranged beneath the coat patterns, positioning each pelt for efficient luxury mink fur coat construction. The marked dark brown mink leather is carefully cut into precise coat panels while preserving the natural fur direction. Individual front sections of the dark brown mink leather are shaped to create the main front structure of the luxury mink fur coat.
A large section of dark brown mink leather is precisely shaped for the back of the luxury mink fur coat. Additional dark brown mink leather pieces are cut and shaped for the sleeves of the luxury mink fur coat. A matching section of dark brown mink leather is prepared and shaped to create the collar of the luxury mink fur coat. The prepared collar is carefully attached to the neckline, giving the dark brown mink leather coat its refined luxury appearance. The interior lining is measured and prepared to fit inside the dark brown mink leather luxury coat. The front of the dark brown mink leather coat receives its closures, allowing the luxury mink fur coat to open and close securely. The finished dark brown mink leather coat undergoes a detailed surface inspection to ensure the fur is smooth, even, and free from visible defects. Every seam of the dark brown mink leather coat is carefully checked to confirm that the panels and sleeves are securely joined. The dark brown mink leather coat receives another controlled brushing to restore the natural direction and softness of the mink fur.
The interior of the dark brown mink leather coat is inspected to verify the lining, seams, closures, and internal construction are properly finished.
The completed dark brown mink leather luxury fur coat is presented in its finished form, showing the results of the entire factory production process. The production journey concludes with the finished dark brown mink leather luxury fur coat, ready for premium presentation.